Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Sydney River, Nova Scotia, a charming area that offers a blend of natural beauty and rich history. As you drive through this scenic region, you'll be surrounded by lush landscapes and glimpses of the area's fascinating past. Sydney River is located on the beautiful island of Cape Breton. The area is known for its stunning natural surroundings, with the Sydney River itself winding through the landscape, providing a picturesque setting for your journey. The river is a vital part of the local ecosystem and has played a significant role in the development of the surrounding communities. The geography of Sydney River is characterized by its coastal location, offering beautiful views of the Atlantic Ocean and the surrounding countryside. The area is a gateway to the famous Cabot Trail, a world-renowned scenic drive that takes you through the breathtaking landscapes of Cape Breton Highlands National Park. This proximity to the trail makes Sydney River an ideal starting point for exploring the natural wonders of the island. Whether you're passing through or planning to stay a while, Sydney River offers a captivating glimpse into the heart of Cape Breton Island, leaving you with a sense of wonder and a desire to explore more of what the region has to offer.
Thanks for watching!